Hi, I'm Danyelle. Welcome back to She Steeps. Today we will be talking about loose leaf tea. Today I have a very special coworker here to help me discuss loose leaf tea. How you doing today, Miss Cheryl?
I am great, Danielle.
Thanks to have you here today.
Well, I am glad to be here. When most people drink tea, they drink tea bags. They use tea bags. But many tea enthusiasts like to steep their tea using loose leaves. Tell you a little bit about loose leaf tea. It's tea that's not steeped in a bag. Okay. This allows the water to flow through the leaves and extract a wide range of vitamins, minerals, flavors, aromas.
Some people drink loose leaf tea because they enjoy the ritual. Coffee drinkers, for example, get up early in the morning, grind the beans, spoon the right amount, and enjoy aroma and the sound and the very first sip of the day. Loose leaf tea could be the same. Here, Miss Cheryl is going to give you some examples on how to use loose leaf tea with the equipment.
Loose leaf tea is easy to prepare. What you need is your loose leaf tea, your teapot, and we call this a bell teapot with infuser, your teaspoon, and your hot water. And how to prepare it is you're going to spoon out your tea in your teaspoon. You're going to put it in your infuser. Put your infuser back in your teapot. Pour your hot water over your tea, and you're going to steep. Now, just like tea bags, steeping is very important as well, because what you want to do is steep your green teas for 2 minutes, 2 to 3, and your black teas for 5 to 7. So in doing that, you're getting your best tea experience and getting a delicious cup of tea. I also like to add, we have several of our loose teas here, but we have many, many more choices and flavors to choose from. So
that's all we have for today. Thank you, Miss Cheryl, for joining us again on She Steeps.
You're welcome.
You gave the good, right information. Don't forget to like, subscribe our YouTube channel.